when we jump into our Bitrix, we can see the booking module and we can see here the resources that are currently available. And we can view here on a daily page what bookings each resource has. So in our demonstration here, we have doctors and we can see what appointments that they have been scheduled on for today. Now, if we wanted to add a new resource onto here, then we can click onto the add resource page. We can then select the type of resource that this will be. So in our use case as a doctor, this is going to be a medical practitioner. So first of all, we can add their details. Okay, we should select the type. We can choose here the view mode of how that resource is viewed inside the system. We can then add their schedule. Okay, so this is very important to confirm when they are available to have appointments scheduled within their time slot. So you can use the company business hours, or you could customize this for each resource and configure their working day. And we can then configure the default booking duration. So a new feature now, we can customize this. So we might say, for example, that for this doctor, each appointment is time slotted to 30 minutes. And now what we are able to do with the booking module is have automated communications sent out to the customer. So this is really valuable. It improves the booking process and it ensures the customer has all of the key information that they need about their booking. So as soon as the booking is scheduled, we are sending them a message. This is done via WhatsApp on this template. So we send them all of the details about their booking. You can configure when this message is sent out. If we want to request a confirmation from the customer, we can send another message with a link where they confirm the appointment time. And again, what we can do is if they don't confirm, we could then send reminders. So we're starting to streamline the process to ensure that the customer is available for the appointment, and making sure using the reminders message here, we can send a reminder to them at a specific time frame before the appointment. So it ensures there are no missed appointments by using these automated communications. And we will see these messages automatically sync into the record inside Bitrix24. So these are the messages we can use, and this can be via WhatsApp or SMS. So let's just create that resource. So that resource has now been added into the system. And to allow the customer to automatically make their own appointments, we have a booking form tool built into the module. So with this, it allows a customer to select a resource from the system. We can then add that into here, and they can then select the appropriate time for their appointment. And now let's submit that appointment request. Okay, so that has now been successful. So we can see now we have been notified that a new appointment has been scheduled. So we can see all of the information about that booking inside the system here. We can click into the contacts record, and we can see inside the contacts record in the CRM every single appointment that has been scheduled. So this gives you a really nice overview of the entire booking history for that customer. And we can see now that WhatsApp message has automatically been sent out to the customer confirming their appointment. So all of that key information about the booking has been sent to the customer. And we can go into the deals, and we can see a deal record has been created for every appointment. So we can see now the one that has just been created. It's captured that, generated the deal with the time, and all of the history of communication is on the page. So what we can now do through here is we could send a reminder about this to the customer, just nudging them to make sure that they're aware that that has now been completed. So the entire history is captured, and using the booking module, it ensures we can schedule resources correctly. So by setting individual time limits on appointments, allowing the customer to select from those available times, it ensures we're maximizing the resource allocation for our resources. And using the automated message tools to send confirmations and reminders, it ensures that the key appointments, they are attended by the customer. Okay, so that is an overview of the bookings module powered by Bitrix24.